Okay, we're back. This is a start-stop switch I'm going to be installing. It's also got a key eliminator harness built into it. So be doing away with the key switch, this start-stop switch, and just having this. This is just an accessory wire that's added with this switch. I think what I'm going to use it for is the lap timer on this bike. So if everything works, we should be able to power on. Everything powered on, we should be able to start it. Yep, spins over. Won't start because I got the fuel tank off of it. All right, I'm going to remove this switch, get this out of the way. The other wires that run through this harness are for the brake switch, which we're not running brake lights, so we can eliminate that as well. I'm not going to tighten that up right now. We have clip-ons coming. We have a lot of parts on order that we haven't gotten in yet. So now we just go inside here. What I'm going to do is pull this fuse out. But now we should. Yep, powered up. That's the end of that one. Thank you. All right, next what I want to do is I want to get this key switch out. That thing weighs as much as a small baby. So in order to do that, the way they bolt these in, they break the heads off when they torque them in. So I got to get from the bottom side. So I need to take off the triple tree nut, take these two Allen screws loose, and hopefully that'll pop up. Let's see. Underneath the clip-on, it actually bolts to the triple tree. That's why it wasn't coming off. So I had to take these two bolts out. One on each side. Now this top of this triple tree should come off. There we go. You see the heads? They ring those off. So they're right here. So you have to kind of fight to get those out. Dude, we got the case covers in, so we'll install those. We got it from Pug. It's a set. On the ZX6R, you have 3 different pieces. It comes with those, and it also comes with the hardware to mount them on. I'm going to start with the stator side, and then we'll move over to the other side of the bike and change those out. The reason we use these, a couple of reasons. One, to protect the case covers, of course, but also if you go down, you don't have these, you have a possibility of cracking the stock cover, which leaks oil in the track, and that's never good. We're going to install these, so we'll get started here in a minute. All right, here are the case covers and the hardware. With those, you get the instruction sheets, which basically, they're not hard to install, but it's got different length bolts for different covers. So in these sheets, it'll tell you where to put the bolts in which cover. So we'll start by removing the 4 bolts. So just hold it up, line out which 4 bolts you gotta move, which is these 2 here and these 2 here. We'll take those out. You get these little spacers, washers, make sure you put those in. They'll come, when they get them packaged, they'll come inserted in like this, but then they'll fall out. So if you get these, unpackage them, make sure you don't lose one of these. Put it in place. These are the bolts that came with it. Always start them by hand so you don't get anything cross-thread. It's the last thing you want to do. Some people put a little Loctite on them. I haven't had a problem with them coming out without it on these case covers. I'm not going to worry too much about it. There we go. Torque them. I think these were like 87 inch-pounds. And that's all it is to it. Simple. Gives you that extra added protection on your covers. Hopefully won't have a oil spill on the track. Hopefully won't even get them scratched up, but we all know how that goes. All right, we moved over to the right side of the bike. I'll put this up, see which four, here, 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 and here. So we'll take those loose. The top long one here also gets a spacer behind it. Same torque, 87 inch-pounds. And that's all it is to those. Pretty simple, but definitely give you some protection. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time. Welcome back, everyone. Next item we're going to be changing is going to braided brake lines.